Have you ever wanted to share a specific message from a Discord chat but weren't sure how to do it? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll quickly walk you through the updated process of copying a message link on Discord using your PC. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, navigate to the channel or direct message where the message you want to share is located. Now, here comes the next step. Hover your mouse over the message you want to copy. As you do this, you'll notice 3 small dots appear in the upper right corner of the message. This is the key to accessing more options for that specific message. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the context menu. From the options that appear, select Copy Message Link. With just a single click, the link to that message is now copied to your clipboard, and that's it. You can now paste the link wherever you like, whether it's in a different chat, an email, or even on social media. This updated feature makes it easier than ever to share important messages with friends or teammates. Remember, when someone clicks on that link, it will take them directly to the message in Discord, saving everyone time and hassle. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord. Happy chatting!